Hey everyone, welcome back to the Code Path channel. Today, we're building a practical C program that tracks weekly temperatures using arrays. If you've been wondering how arrays work in real-world applications, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to store multiple values, calculate averages, and compare data, all fundamental programming skills. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are we creating today? We're building a weekly temperature tracker that stores temperatures for all 7 days of the week, calculates the average temperature, and tells us which days were hotter or cooler than average. This is something weather apps do every single day. And the best part, we're doing this without using functions, keeping it super simple for beginners. Before we code, let's talk about why we need arrays. Imagine storing temperatures without arrays. You'd need something like this. That's messy and hard to work with. With an array, we store all 7 temperatures in one variable. Think of an array as a row of boxes, each holding one piece of data. Much cleaner, right? All right, let's start coding. Open your favorite C editor and follow along. First, our basic structure. Now let's declare our arrays. We need one for temperatures. We use float here because temperatures can have decimals, like 23.5 degrees. Next, we need variables for calculations. And here's something cool, a 2D array for day names. This is an array of strings. Each day name can have up to 10 characters. Now, let's collect temperatures from the user. This for loop does 3 things. 1. It displays the day name using our days array 2. It reads the temperature into our temperatures array 3. It adds each temperature to our sum. Clever, right? Notice how we use I as the index. When I is 0, we're working with Monday. When I is 1, Tuesday, and so on. Time to calculate the average temperature. Simple math. Total divided by number of days. Now let's display our results. The %.2f formats our number to show exactly 2 decimal places. Professional-looking output. Here's where it gets interesting. Finding which days were above average. We loop through each temperature and use an if statement to compare it with the average. If it's higher, we print it. Then we do the same for below average days. Let's compile and run our program. Let me enter some sample temperatures. And there we go. Our program correctly identifies which days were hotter or cooler than average. See how organized the output is? This is the power of arrays combined with loops. And that's it. You just built a practical temperature tracking system using arrays in C. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more C programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.